All right, guys. This is another amazing strategy I'm bringing to you guys today. This is a powerful one, and I'll advise you to sit down, close, and watch the video, and use it on your own trade because this is one of a kind. It's very special and it's so profitable. So, guys, this is Famous Forex Academy, and you know I always bring value to you guys. You can check from my previous videos. You will see that my strategies have been working perfectly fine. I bring one of the best strategies to you guys online here. So if you are new to the channel or you've not subscribed to the channel before, I advise you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing stuffs whenever we post them online. So today I'm back with this strategy. It's a scalping strategy, and I advise you use this strategy on Crash 1000 and on Boom 1000. It works perfectly fine on Crash and Boom 1000. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, I would like you to, you know, add the settings to the strategy. So the first indicator we'll be adding here will be the alligator on your main chart. I wouldn't want this video to be very long, so you can just screenshot this and apply it on your own charts at your own time. Okay, so you can see the parameter, just screenshot it or write it down and use it on your chart. After that, you click on done. The next indicator will be on the indicator window 1, which is the stochastic oscillator. You can see the settings here, so just screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it, apply it on your own charts, and you click on done. And the last indicator here will be the Ichimoku. Okay, guys, you can see the parameters. Just screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it, guys. So at your own comfortable time, you can insert it on your own charts and try this strategy. So just sit down, watch the video so you can really understand how this strategy is working. So after you might have finished applying our indicators, the next thing you want to do is putting it on your zoom level. So the zoom level we are using here is the second zoom level. After you might have finished zooming out your charts completely, like zooming out to the last level, you just zooming in 2 times. So it's using the second zoom level for this strategy. And when that is being done, the next thing we want to do is knowing when to buy, because when you're scalping crash, that means you're actually buying, you're trading against the spike, so you're buying. If you're scalping boom, that's when you're selling, when you're scalping. So now we'll be buying crash 1000, and we are just waiting for our indicators to give us the go ahead to make the trade, because when we want to scalp like this, you don't just rush into the trade and start buying. You have to wait for the indicators, for the settings to all be in place to give you the go ahead for you to make those trades. So right now, when you finish installing your indicators like this and putting on your zoom level, the next thing you want to do is knowing when to buy. And when it's time for you to buy, it's the first thing you will look out for. It's when you see the green indicator on your indicator in the window 1 hitting the 10 level here. When once you see this green indicator here at the level 10 here, that's the first thing you look out for. Okay, that's the first thing you look out for. So when that happens, all you need to do now is wait on your your main chart to see your red indicator crossing the blue one. So what we are waiting for now is for our red indicator to cross our blue indicator to the upside. Don't always go for it when you see it crossing to the downside like this. Okay, like what I'm showing right now. If it crosses down to the downside, that's when you are going to actually sell. Okay, because the price is going down at that point. So all you just need to do is wait for it when you see the indicators, the two indicators, they're crossing each other on the main chart to the upside like this. And when that happens, you at least wait for a candlestick to finish forming, then you can open your positions from the next candlesticks. Okay, so we are still waiting for our red indicator to cross our blue indicator, then we open the positions and make the trade. Okay, so guys, you can check on my description page. You'll see a link to my Telegram group. is a free Telegram group where we drop analysis and charts and tell people and how the market is going to do at a particular time. So you can join. You are free to join our free Telegram group. We also drop signals as well and also show analysis on how the chart it's actually going at the moment. Okay guys, so if you want to join our VIP too, where we drop profitable signals, 4 to 5 signals a day, profitable ones where you can make so much money for yourself, chat me up too and we can also talk about that. We also do account management and we also run a mentorship program where we teach people and mold people into becoming a professional trader. So don't forget to hit us guys. Just chat us guys, whatever it is you want to talk about, just chat us. Let's join heads together and make money on this forex. Okay guys, so as you can see, our red indicator is about to cross the blue one. As you can see, it's crossing already. Okay, so all we are just waiting for now is for this candle to finish forming, and after that we open our trade and we pick 10 candlesticks. Guys, we won't stay long on this one. It's just 10 candlesticks. Pick 10 candlesticks, then you close the trade and wait for the conditions to be in place again. You can do it as several times as you wish, so long the conditions are in place. Okay guys, so now it is time for us to open our trade and pick 10 candlesticks. Okay, you can use any lot size you want to use. Okay, a lot size of your choice, you can use it depending on your count size, and make sure you always apply always apply make sure you always apply risks. Okay, make sure you don't take so much risks. Just trade according to your lot, your equity. Okay, don't trade above your equity. Don't use losses, and if the trade doesn't go your way, it blows your account. Okay, so you always have to apply risks. Okay, management, or that will apply risk management. Don't take too much risks, just take a risk that you can bear if the trade doesn't go your way. Okay, so guys, you can see we just open our position, so all we just waiting for now is getting our 10 candlesticks and we close the trade guys. So this works perfectly on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Let's go over to boom 1000 and see if the conditions are in place. Okay, the conditions are not yet in place. So in boom 1000 it's still the same thing, but on the reverse side. Okay, like on crash we were waiting for the green indicator to hit our level 10, but in boom we are waiting for it to hit the level 90. So as you can see, the green indicator is on level 90 already, so that means the first condition is being met. So the second condition we're waiting for now is for the red indicator here to cross the blue one to the downside. Okay, and that's when we open our positions and we start selling. So guys, it's the same thing guys. On boom you're selling, on crash you are buying. So on boom, what you look out for is when you see the green indicator on your indicator window 1 hitting the level 90, and you look over your main chart and you see the red indicator here crossing the blue indicator to the downside, then you wait for at least a candlestick to finish forming, and when that happens you open your positions. You take 10 candlesticks. I'll say 10 candlesticks. That's 10 minutes, because when you're on a 1 minute time frame, each candle represents 1 minute. So if you see 10 candlesticks, that means it's 10 minutes. So just stay for 10 minutes, close your trade, wait for the conditions to be in place again. You open your positions and you start selling. As you can see, we just got a spike here. So that means if we have entered this trade without this red indicator crossing the blue one here, we would have been in loss right now. So that is why it's always good to be patient and wait for the conditions to be in place, and that's when you see the red indicator crossing the blue one. Okay, as you can see, it was not yet crossing. So if I thought you had opened your positions at that point, you would have been in losses right now. So it's always good to be patient, wait for the conditions to be in place before you can actually make your trade. So let's go back to crash 1000 and see how our trade is doing. So as you can see guys, our trade is still going. and we are on our third candlestick at the moment, and we are actually waiting to pick 10 candlesticks, guys. Don't pick more than 10 candles, guys. It can actually sell for a long time, but to be on a safer side, just pick 10 candlesticks, close the trade, wait for the conditions to be in place again, then you open your positions, you take 10 candlesticks, then you close the trade. So guys, this is famous Forex Academy, guys. I always bring the best of best strategies to you guys. You can check over my previous videos if you've not really been following my channel. Check on my strategies and see the comments. You see that people are really turning into millionaires and actually making money with these strategies. I drop best strategies. I'm not bragging. Go through my page, you will see my strategies. You can use it. Like I always say, when I drop a strategy like this, use it on your demo account first, and when you see that you are more comfortable with it and you believe that it's working perfectly fine, you can now move to your real account and you open the trades and make money for yourself. And when you do make this money and when these strategies are working perfectly well for you, don't always forget to come back to this channel, drop some comments and appreciate the person. Okay, so guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do what to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends. I always say this: share the video with your friends, let everyone make money. If you know a friend that is struggling to make money on Forex, you can also share the strategy with him, let him use the strategy and also make money for himself also. So guys, it's wonderful. I'm always filled with joy whenever I make videos like this for you guys, and I also get more excited when I see comments of people saying how the strategy is working perfectly fine for them. It's always a thing of joy for me. Okay, so guys, don't always forget to drop your comments. Our trade is still going, as you can see. We are on 1 2 3 4 5. We are on the 6 candlesticks right now, and we are waiting for the fourth for 10 more candlesticks to add up so we can actually close our trade and wait for the conditions to be in place again so we can open our another positions and make money. So let's just back test and see how this has been working. Okay, let's back test and see how this has been working. So as you can see, guys, as you can see that the green indicator here was on our level 10 on our indicator window 1, and on the main chart we saw the red indicator crossing the blue one to the upside, and if you count here, we got more than 10 candlesticks before a spike came through. Okay, you can still back test and see more of this happening, guys. Sorry about this, sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, this has been working perfectly fine, guys. It has been working perfectly fine. As you can see, it was on the level 10, and we saw the red indicator crossing the blue one to the upside. As you can see, we had more than 10 candlesticks here. Okay, guys, you can see it bought for a very long time. Okay, it was buying for a very long time, but I wouldn't advise you to stay that long. I would just advise you take 10 candlestick, close the trade, wait for the conditions to be in place again, open your positions again, pick 10 candles. You can do that at many as much time as you wish to do on your trade. Okay, guys, so you can see we are still on our trade. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now we are expecting 2 more candlesticks to add up, then we close our positions and make some profit. Let's go back to boom 1000 and see how it's doing. Sorry, boom 1000. This is boom 1000, guys, and the conditions are still not yet in place, so we can open our position at this time. We can sell at this time until we see this red indicator crossing the blue one to the downside. That's the time we can actually sell. But for now, we can't sell until that is being done. Guys, so I think we might have our 10 candlesticks at the moment, so that should be a time we can actually close our trade, and we also wait for the condition to be in place again, so we can actually open our position again and pick 10 candlestick and close out with profits again. So yeah, as you can see, this strategy is working perfectly fine. There's nothing to be scared of. As you can see, like, this is why I like doing my videos live. I don't just come like most people do, show you a back test of how a chat was doing, how it happened, just showing you back test without something live for you to see how it's working live. So that's why all my videos, I love doing live videos and show you how I open my trades and show you how it's running, so you can actually see that it's working perfectly fine, that nothing is happening, so you don't have anything to be scared of. Just go in, use the strategy, use it for yourself, make money, come back here and give us your comment. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope to bring more and more videos that will help your life, guys. But just have to subscribe to this channel, so you can actually, that's the only way of you helping me too. Okay, as I'm helping you, you help me back by subscribing to this channel, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification so that you can always have notification if I drop new videos online like this. So guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can see, we just got our 10 candlesticks, so we are about to close the trade at the moment. That's how it works, guys. It's working perfectly fine. And don't forget to check on the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly if you want to join my VIP group, where we drop profitable signals, 4 to 5 signals a day. You can make so much money for yourself. Or you want to join my mentorship team, where I mentor people, coach people into becoming a professional trader. Or you can click on our free Telegram group and join. Is free, and also enjoy the benefit that we have in that group. So guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time, guys. Bye.